Hello. Oh. Right. Oh. Hello. What's this here?
Sorry.
What we have here today is a remote control car made by Mark, which is.
I wish amateurs wouldn't drive so close to things. Huh?
Which he made over the week.
Drive so close to things.
Don't know. Yeah. And Andi-Benny's here.
He's got his name written on it. How cool is that?
Which he's made his car as well. I mean, his remote control car as well. Sorry, not a car. Andi-Benny has been into many finals for the remote car championships or something like that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, Mark.
He films everything. You can just hit it. Yeah.
Nothing much really. So. Right.
Countdown, Mirza. 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god. Andy's car seems to have failed. Quite small.
Oh, not bad though.
No. This is going to be quite funny. Yeah.
Oh!
How come he keeps going to the right? Well, this little thing is outdone, Darren.
Engine on a bit.
It goes forward, left, and right. That'd be it. Yeah, you're gonna need a brake.
Ooh,
Handbrake's just on it.
that's quite cool.
No, I've confidence.
Andi-Benny on control. This is what he does best.
Now take the tape off.
You had an accident, didn't you?
I did.
Yeah. Well,
Well, my bit's ringing off.
I find this quite entertaining. While Andi-Benny's doing that, Mark's trying to sort his one out after he towed nearly, well, he towed
Oh,
it.
you rolled it for me. And then the steering went out because I crashed into a curb.
So you're putting the blame on me?
No. I'm just adding to the damage. Because I rolled it the other day as well.
Ah, right, so I'm not to blame. Cool. Well, it should be working.
Basically, I got Darren, catch. You didn't catch. I've got a saying. If you're having fun doing it, what's the problem?
No.
It's fixable. I don't trust it.
Oh, hello.
That way, it's Mirza moves. That's scary. You like the spoiler?
Oh, he's back in business.
Spoiler I put on the
Paint job's better.
Right. Oh. Whoa, hello. Oh, right. This is...
Two people! So clever.
Figure of eight. There we go. Figure of eight.
What's this little insect doing?
Whoa, he's lost the wheel.
It was a good figure out.
Yeah, that's gone. Oh, I've got to find the wheel like that because I'm not standing aside.